Imagine a world where you earn money while you sleep, relax, or do anything you desire. This world exists, and it's closer than you think. It's a world where you're not trading your precious time for money, but instead money is flowing to you, regardless of how you spend your time. Trading your time for money limits your freedom. The more you work, the less free time you have, the more taxes you pay, and the less freedom you experience. If you're constantly trading your labor for money, the only way to fund your lifestyle is through work. The downside? There's barely enough time left for the things you truly want to do. There's only one known antidote to this conundrum: passive income. Passive income is the money you earn regardless of whether you're working or not. Let's say you own a rental property. You can receive rent checks month after month, regardless of what you're doing. You could be working or looking for a tranquil beach to unwind on. Either way, your tenant will make sure to send you the rent every month. This is passive income. There are countless ways to create passive income. You can buy stocks and receive quarterly dividend payments. You can sell a course and earn a share every time someone purchases it. You can buy a property and live off the rent. You can create a YouTube channel and earn ad revenue every month. The possibilities are boundless. In today's digital age, there are no excuses. Previously, you needed money, contacts, and physical spaces. Today, you just need a computer and an internet connection to make a living from what you love. Let's delve into an example. Making a living from YouTube. Many people underestimate the power of YouTube. They still think YouTube is just for watching funny videos of people falling over and cute kittens. YouTube is much more than that. YouTube is a money-making machine, a potent way to earn passive income and influence others. The best part about YouTube is its long-term power. You upload a video once and it remains there for years, attracting views, driving traffic to your website, acquiring customers for your products, and making tons of money for you. YouTube is like having a clone or an employee who never calls in sick, never asks for a vacation, doesn't demand a salary, and generates money 24/7. Look at it this way. You have 500 uploaded videos, each earning you $2 a month for the rest of your life. That's $1,000 a month. Add to that the videos you continue to upload, which attract hundreds of thousands of views in the first month. If you earn $3 for every 1,000 views and each of your videos receives an average of 100,000 views, and you upload 8 videos a month, you could be earning $3,400 a month, counting the $1,000 from the older videos you uploaded years ago. Achieving this isn't very difficult. 1 or 2 years to reach these figures is more than enough. I know that $1,000 or $5,000 a month may not seem like much, but the hundreds of thousands of views your videos receive are potential customers ready to buy your products. Each video you upload is like a tiny seed that will bear fruit for the rest of your life. Not only does it serve to earn money, but it also helps to leave your legacy. You upload a video once, but the message that video leaves will be there forever. The best part is, you can use your videos to share on other platforms, incorporate them into your websites, promote your brand, write a blog on your own forum, or even in a magazine. Use it to build. Passive income is not just a dream, it's a reality that is within your reach.